Jackson Pollock's obituary the day before he died, and a stray firework killed my auntie on the 5th of July. And the founding fathers can hear me now. I'm talking in my sleep, and the big bad wolf came right along just when I was counting sheep. Pie was invented to distract me from my target goal, and my mother wouldn't help me rob a casino. And the founding fathers can hear me now. I'm talking in my sleep, and the big bad wolf came right along. I'm counting sheep. I conquered with a feather in my hat and a birthmark from 1910. And a parakeet salesman stole my wife, went by the name of Buckshot Ben. And the founding fathers can hear me now. I'm talking in my sleep, and the big bad wolf came right along just when I was counting sheep. This next one's called The Contrarian. Yes, no, maybe so, or maybe it's neither, but then I don't know where I should be and where I should go. 'Cause you're Edgar Allan and I'm Ralph Waldo. Sitting forever, we'll wait for Godot. Brains over bronze and head over heels, swallowing stones that are sure to heal. Here's my collection of opinions I steal, vomiting electric eels. Without the others, I don't know how I should feel. With skulls as bowls, I think I'll have the veal. Exit stage light. It's real, surreal. Veering from honesty, truth, and disdain. Ruining habitats, eat sugar cane. Killing Stravinsky, my old claim to fame. Edgar is feeling ashamed. Testing Hippocrates, taking his blame. Western philosophy, it's the name game. Honestly, truthfully, I'll take the train. View from the front, view from the side. I am the reason that Stravinsky died. I tried to ask, the raven denied. Stauber stopped calling and I stopped the ride. Frankly, I don't think that you even tried. Chewing on raven rawhide. Trying to pick a side. And this last song is about a friend of mine that sent a girl a letter and it did not work out for him. Dear Bobby, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but I've got a boyfriend and he don't like it when I talk to you. But either way, I don't feel the same way. I'm not sure about you. I mean, your parents don't like me, and it don't seem like they like you. If you were nicer, then maybe I would be with you. But there's better people out there, and I hate the zoo. Well, I'll see you tomorrow, 'cause I'll see you at school. Oh, and just so you know, I told my friends all about you.
Give it up for Spencer K, everyone. These are great songs.